Panasonic takes an authentic Japanese approach to making things. Taking care even with things no one will ever see. Committed to cleanliness and comfort. Offering lightweight balance that fits naturally in the hand and with your lifestyle. Thoughtful precision. That's the spirit that lives in our design. Nothing wasted. Compact, easy-to-use products that are quietly present by your side. We put the people who use our products first. For Panasonic, the focus is your lifestyle. Japan quality.